I just finished installing our home Decorators Intervale 72-inch indoor covered outdoor ceiling fan, and it is under a covered pergola, and it is the second one we have put in because we like the first one a lot. That's the first one, which is a different color scheme, but that's okay. So this is the remote. So you have power that'll power everything on. Right now we got a breeze, so it's just blowing in the breeze. Otherwise you can go in and just operate the fan. And because these things are big, they really don't get going fast compared to smaller ones. But you can see the LEDs show which of the 6 speeds it's on. So that was on 1, now it's at 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And once it gets going, it's pretty good. The light has different color temperatures, which you control down here. So you go from warm, a little bit hotter temperature, a little bit hotter, and then, oh, I'm sorry, that was warm, a little bit brighter, a little bit brighter. Yeah, maybe it's only 3. Anyway, it works pretty good. It is dimmable, which is handy because we do like to occasionally just have a little bit of ambient light. And then you've got the breeze setting, which varies the speed. I'm not crazy about that. But you've also got some timers, which is a 2, 4, and 8 hour, in case you're lazy and forgetful like us. And you also have an upflow or downflow. So works pretty good, and the button up here, like I say, kills everything. And very pleased with this. Unfortunately, we ordered it in May. It's the second week in November, so we probably won't be using this until next spring. But there it is.